It doesn't matter where you live on the planet. If you have $0, you have no social media, you have no YouTube, no nothing. What I'm about to expose here in this video here, and I'm gonna show you proof in about 5 seconds. See, this is the payment proof per minute. This technique that I'm going to show you now. First, listen, all I ask you to do is this: go ahead and subscribe to Mr. Investor, so you don't miss out my latest tricks to make easy money. People are making money every single day while watching YouTube videos. This works in all countries and it's worldwide. If you are late and found most people are using my technique and it's not unique anymore, don't blame me. Now let's get started. Do you watch YouTube videos every single day? I do it as well. But recently, I accidentally found a way to get paid while watching those free YouTube videos. And it is putting money into my bank account every single day, even I am at sleep. Isn't that the way you are looking for to make money, even in sleep? Okay, so let's start with the step-by-step tutorial. Because as always, I will explain you everything step by step. If you follow along with me, while I complete the first step, you go and complete the same step. Then we go to the second step, you go complete the second step. And so on and so forth. By the end of this video, you will see a massive progress, and by the end of this video you will be ready to start making money. So the best option for you is to follow along with me. Follow all of the steps, and stay tuned until the end of the video to maximize your results. We will start with the step number 1, and that is to come over to search for keyword which is popular in the gaming niche. So maybe that can be Among Us. Maybe that can be GTA 5, whatever you can think of. So, do you usually watch on YouTube? But make sure it's a damn good popular keyword. Let's say, you maybe watch gaming videos. What you can do is, you can search for Among Us and just search for that, and leave it open like that. We will get back to this page in a minute now. The next thing you're going to do is you want to sign up to a website called shrinkme.io. And this is the website that we will be leveraging to get paid just for watching these videos on YouTube. And you will see exactly how this works. Now you want to come over to shrinkme.io. And I want you to create an absolutely free account by clicking on the register button right here. Now if you're wondering what this actually is, well, this is a link shortening service. Which means that you can grab any URL, any link for anything, and you can paste it right here. And they will shorten it for you. And whenever someone clicks on your shortened link, you will get paid. You can see the payment proof. $12.24, $56.44, and so on. Now the reason we are using shrinkme.io and not any other link shortening service is because they have a low minimum payout, which is only $5. So you can reach $5 in like just a couple of minutes, and then you will be able to cash out directly to PayPal or any other payment option you prefer. So, you don't have to wait around to have hundreds of dollars. You don't have to wait around for months to get paid. You can literally get paid today. Now, the next thing you got to do is click on the register button right here to create an absolutely free account. You will create your account by creating a unique username for your account, and that can be anything you prefer. Fill these details and you can agree to the terms of using privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on these 2 links. And then you can go back and agree. If you agree, of course, after that just click register, and then this is how it's gonna look like. This is the dashboard where you can track your earnings. So, here you can see the total views, you got the total earnings. So how much money you actually make from those YouTube videos, and then here on the left hand side you will be able to withdraw your money. Now the reason I've searched for Among Us keyword is because Among Us is really popular. It's really trending. Like, take a look at this. It was this video that posted 24 hours back, and it has 464,000 views. And this one 22 hours ago, and it has 4.5 million views. So a lot of people are interested in Among Us. And I mean, those videos are just fun to watch. So it's not going to be really hard to make money with this, right? All you need to do is search for such a popular keyword, like Among Us, or anything you can think of that you usually watch, that is really popular. In my case, that's once again going to be Among Us. So, I will open up one of these videos. For example, this one, and I will click on it, and what I will need to do is, I will just need to watch it all the way till the end. And just pay attention that it's a good video. And then, I'll show you how ShrinkMe will pay you, just for doing that. So for now your job is to just watch those fun trendy videos. Watch them until the end and make sure they're good. Once you're done watching the video and you saw it's a good one, you'll like the video. I want you to copy the URL of that YouTube video. So you've watched it until the end, you saw it was good, interesting, and fun. Just copy the URL, which takes people to the video. Then go back to ShrinkMe dashboard and click here where it says New Shorten. Now, you just want to paste the URL for that video. Right here and just click Shorten. And that's, as you can see, gonna give you a shortened link that takes people to the YouTube video. But now when someone clicks on that link you will get paid again and again and again. And you will see exactly how that will make you money. And then you will come over to a website called forums.pcgamer.com. And this is the website that will set everything on autopilot for us. So, we can watch those YouTube videos in peace, and by using this website, you can get payments every single day just like this. You can see. People are being paid every single day now. Anyways, pcforums.pcgamer.com is a forum where people come to discuss about gaming. And the reason we are using this forum in particular is because, let me show you, this website is getting over 1 million monthly visits, so every single month. Over 20 million people are using this website. And if you do the math, that can end up being a lot of clicks, and we can get paid a lot of money from those clicks. And the reason you are watching only popular topics and popular keywords on YouTube is because that way you can attract more clicks, and that way you can earn more money. So the more popular videos you watch, the more money you can make. I want you to come over to forums.pcgamer.com. Where, as I said, people discuss all of the different games there. There are available online, and I want you to search for your keyword. In this case, that's gonna be Among Us. So I will search for Among Us. And you will be able to see that there are new posts about Among Us. Every single day, every single hour, people discuss it right here on this forum. So, a lot of people are interested in this game. Now, how can we actually attract them to click on our link, so we can make money from this? How can we attract them? Click on our shortened link that takes people to this YouTube video. Well, you just want to post something trending. Some news and update about the Among Us game. And then leave the link to the video below your post. So, you can do something like this. You can come over to Google, you can search for Among Us news. You will find some article that has an update or that it has some breaking news about Among Us. For example, I will open up this one and I will copy this article and I will paste it in Google Docs. And below the news, below the article, I will just copy my video title. For example, Best Among Us update, I will paste that right here, and I will just copy my shortened link. I will copy that. Once again, go back to here, paste it right here, and I will copy this entire article and I will just use it on forums.pcgamer.com. And I will post it right here. So, people can see it. That they will be interested in news and updates. And once they read the news and updates, they will see, for example, Best Among Us update. And then this link right here, once they click on the link, I will get paid again and again, because as you saw, there are millions of people using this website. So I can reach out to hundreds of thousands of people, and get thousands and thousands of click on one of my posts. And you can just imagine how much money you can make by watching more and more videos. And by shortening more and more links, and by posting more and more posts on the forum.pcgamer.com. So, go out there, search for the Among Us keyword. Watch as all I ask you to do is this: go ahead and subscribe to Mr. Investor. So, you don't miss out my latest tricks to make easy money. Leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on, so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of